What is this, children? Very good. This is a rose. What is this, children? Very good. This is a lily. What is this, children? Very good. This is a lotus. What is this, children? Very good. This is a sunflower. What is this, children? Very good. This is a marigold. What is this, children? Very good. This is a shoe flower. What is this, children? Very good. This is a periwinkle.